Hi, today we'll see how to outline on a picture. Okay, just import a photo. Okay, unlock this layer, and there is tool object selection tool. Select, then we will get a selection. Then we have to smooth this. Smooth. This is too much. We will do like 10. Okay. Then we can mask it. Uh, that is cut out, and second thing, we can give a layer like in background. Color is oh, dark green. Okay, effects, stroke. So we will come in a layer style. This is stroke. For you, when you do this, then it will come like inside and 0, like this. You have to make outside and increase the value. Okay, if you want one more stroke outline, then click on plus and change this color like orange. Okay, and increase the size. That's it. Thank you guys for watching video, and please subscribe my channel and comment, share, and like. Thank you.